Looking for a timepiece that's anything but subtle? Meet the RAINTEN R9011A, a bold mechanical statement that does more than just tell time. Features a graffiti-style dial, a real diamond at 12 o'clock, and zircon stones throughout the watch. Runs a reliable Japanese Miyota automatic movement with about a 42-hour power reserve, no battery needed. The gold tone stainless steel bracelet and iced out details give it some serious presence. If you want a watch that stands out, feels premium, and looks wild, check this watch out. Link in the description.